Westhampton Beach, and why pressure washing. If you're looking for professional pressure washing services in Westhampton Beach, New York, this video will help you evaluate experts, what separates the top pros from the rest, and what to watch out for before hiring a contractor. Benny's Property Services delivers exceptional pressure washing results, restoring the beauty of Westhampton Beach homes. We safely remove unsightly black and green stains, enhancing curb appeal. Our deep understanding of Westhampton Beach's unique coastal environment ensures tailored cleaning solutions. We know exactly what it takes to combat local grime and weather effects. Homeowners across Westhampton Beach trust us for superior service and lasting cleanliness. Your satisfaction is our top priority, reflected in every sparkling surface we treat. Proudly serving the entire Westhampton Beach community, our team brings professional property care right to your doorstep. Experience the difference a local expert makes for your home. As a licensed local company, our expertise in Westhampton Beach property care is unmatched. We provide peace of mind, knowing your home is in the hands of trusted, certified professionals. Restoring Westhampton Beach properties. Benny's Property Services safely removes black and green stains, algae, mold, mildew from siding, roofing, patios, fences, and decks using premium materials, restoring curb appeal and protecting property value. Safeguard your Westhampton Beach property. Advanced equipment at Benny's Property Services uses a soft washing process, low pressure, plus cleaning solution. Perfect for vinyl, PVC, and asphalt, cleaning without damage. Safeguarding Westhampton Beach homes, our pressure washing exceeds safety standards. We use a foaming additive mixed with our cleaning solution. This clings longer to vertical and angled surfaces for a deeper, even clean. Trust. Benny's Property Services. Safeguarding Westhampton Beach properties starts with prep. Benny's Property Services meticulously readies every surface. Our formula targets biological growth while keeping your plants and landscaping safe. Experience the difference. Revitalize your Westhampton Beach property with Benny's Property Services. As a licensed local company, we offer free quotes, flexible scheduling around your timetable, and tackle any job, big or small, with ease. Restore and maintain your Westhampton Beach property. Safely removes black and green stains from siding, roofing, patios, fences, and decks, restoring curb appeal and protecting property value. We manage every project. Restore your Westhampton Beach property shine. Soft washing gently cleans vinyl, roofs, and fences. Benny's Property Services uses low-pressure plus solutions, preventing damage while delivering a spotless worksite. Elevate your Westhampton Beach property's curb appeal with Benny's trusted pressure washing. Foaming solution clings longer to vertical and angled surfaces, providing a deeper, even clean residents rely on. Restore your Westhampton Beach property's beauty. Tailored pressure washing from Benny's Property Services delivers customized solutions for every surface. Our formula targets biological growth while safeguarding plants. Call us for a free quote. Restore your Westhampton Beach home's curb appeal. As a licensed local company, we guarantee our pressure washing workmanship. Benny's Property Services offers free quotes, flexible scheduling, and tackles any job, big or small. Your satisfaction is assured. Experience clear communication with Benny's Property Services in Westhampton Beach. We safely remove black and green stains, algae, mold, mildew from siding, roofing, patios, fences, and decks, restoring curb appeal and protecting property value. Restore your Westhampton Beach home shine. Get competitive pricing on soft washing from Benny's Property Services. Our low-pressure cleaning solution safely cleans vinyl, PVC, and roofs without damage. Restore your Westhampton Beach property. Benny's Property Services offers free consultations using a foamy additive in our solution that clings longer to vertical and angled surfaces for a deeper, more even clean. Safeguard your Westhampton Beach property's future. Our pressure washing, with a formula targeting biological growth, parasitic dirt and grime, while keeping nearby plants and landscaping safe, is key to long-term maintenance. Call Benny's Property Services. Restore your Westhampton Beach home's curb appeal with expert pressure washing. A licensed local company, Benny's Property Services offers free quotes, flexible scheduling around your timetable, and a no job is too small or too complex mindset. Restore your Westhampton Beach home's beauty. Safely removing black and green stains from siding, roofing, patios, and decks is guaranteed. Benny's Property Services ensures satisfaction, boosting curb appeal and property value. For pristine properties in Westhampton Beach, Benny's Property Services employs soft washing. This low-pressure solution cleans vinyl siding, PVC fencing, and asphalt shingle roofs safely, preventing surface damage. Every project is unique, but customers who understand how pressure washing experts operate in Westhampton Beach, New York, tend to have better experiences and results. If you're looking for the right pressure washing specialist in Westhampton Beach, NY, Benny'sPropertyServices.com can help you based on your specific needs. Click the link below to learn more.